Tropical activity, two systems of concern, especially for those that are tracking them a little more aggressively than others, especially if you have maybe an old school hurricane tracking chart. You might want to notice that we do have Gonzalo that's well off into the open waters of the Atlantic, and it's still about 1,000 miles from any kind of landscape. There are the coordinates in case you need to know. The expectation hasn't really changed a whole lot. Some strengthening between now and the weekend, perhaps becoming the season's first hurricane, and then running into a drier patch that's within the eastern side of the Caribbean. And that is going to deprive the system of needed moisture that would otherwise allow it to continue to develop. As the moisture becomes less abundant in this region as it moves into the eastern Caribbean, it will start to lose some of the overall support to maintain its strength. So the expectation is that it will begin to weaken, plus the upper winds will become a little more swift, which means it may not be so well developed. So the bottom line when it comes to Gonzalo is that it is still likely to strengthen, but there are some things that will get in its way. However, even beyond this time frame, there's a chance that whatever's left of that moisture field and circulation may still survive that dry patch and move into the western side of the Caribbean. The current moisture in the Gulf is what is connected to Tropical Depression 8, and it is still set to move into the westernmost Gulf and eventually into the coastline of lower Texas. So it's not going to come our way, but it is helping to at least drive our southeast wind pattern along with that high